Staring down at a glowing rectangle is about to look incredibly outdated, because in 2026, the biggest tech giants are dropping smart glasses that project your entire digital life right into your eyeballs.
What?
I'm breaking down the 5 devices that will replace your phone forever. But wait until you hear why the most hyped pair from Apple might actually be a massive disappointment. Let's start with what Xiaomi just pulled off. While everyone was obsessing over the Ray-Ban Metas, Xiaomi quietly dropped a bomb that costs less than half the price, coming in at around $280 for the standard version. At just 40 grams, these are significantly lighter than most alternatives and feature an engineered nose bridge that actually doesn't pinch your face during all-day wear. But the absolute genius part is the 12-megapixel camera that shoots in 2K using a 4:3 format. This means you can extract both horizontal 16:9 YouTube videos and vertical 9:16 TikToks from the exact same recording without having to reshoot a single thing. They also feature a clever angled charging cable that lets you plug into a pocket power bank and charge them while they are still on your face, giving you practically unlimited usage time. Plus, the visual recognition AI lets you look at an object, ask what it is, and the glasses will take a photo, analyze it, and describe it to you. But here is the trust-building reality check. There is no actual visual display or AR overlay built into the lenses. The AI features currently work best in Chinese, and the English translation has some noticeable lag. If you want an actual display and serious AI power, the HTC Vive Eagle just absolutely destroyed the competition. HTC took everything people complained about with existing smart glasses and fixed it. They packed in a massive 235 mAh battery that makes the Meta glasses look like a toy, giving you actual all-day power. But the best part is the AI. Instead of being locked into one ecosystem, you can choose between Google Gemini and ChatGPT, getting real-time translations for 13 different languages right in your field of view. You also get IPX5 water resistant, so you don't have to panic in the rain. Time for the reality check. These cost around $520, which is a premium jump, and right now you can literally only buy them in Taiwan. If you travel a lot and hate awkward language barriers, this next pair weighs less than a slice of bread, but does something your $1,200 iPhone can't even dream of. The Rokid glasses feature a dual eye display that handles real-time two-way translation. When someone speaks Japanese, you see English subtitles, and when you reply, they hear Japanese. They only weigh 49 grams and pack a 12-megapixel HDR camera and an AI assistant that can transcribe your meetings. The brilliant reality check here is that the display is monochrome instead of color, but that's a deliberate choice that gives you up to 6 hours of continuous use on a single charge. If you are finding this video valuable so far, hit that like button and subscribe to stay on top of the latest insider gadgets that give you an unfair advantage.
Nice.
Now, if you want true augmented reality, the company that is making everyone nervous is actually Snap. Yes, the social media company. Their 2026 spectacles aren't just a phone accessory. They are a full wearable computer running Snap OS 2.0 with OpenAI and Gemini baked right in. You get full see-through augmented reality where digital objects actually live and stay perfectly locked in your physical space. You can play games on your couch or collaborate on 3D projects without ever touching a screen. If they deliver, this could be the first product that actually replaces the smartphone. But the reality check is that we don't have an official price yet, and this level of true AR processing power usually means a massive price tag. Finally, I told you the most hyped glasses of 2026 might be a letdown. Apple is finally entering the smart glasses market, and they are playing it incredibly safe. Powered by the N401 chip, these glasses feature Apple's visual intelligence to identify objects, translate text, and give you brief visual cues like navigation prompts. But here is the brutal reality check that proves Apple is just trying to lock you deeper into their ecosystem. These glasses don't have an immersive display for watching videos, and all the heavy processing is tethered directly to your iPhone to keep the frames light. You aren't replacing your phone, you're just buying a highly expensive accessory that forces you to keep your iPhone in your pocket. Which one of these smart glasses would you actually wear in public to replace your smartphone? Drop a comment below, I'm reading every single one. And if you want to see the insane 2026 Android phones that just completely destroyed the iPhone 17 Pro Max, click the video on your screen right now. See you there!